Hi, Victoria and Tony. I wanted to get this presentation to you. It actually is just a quick review of the vowels we went over. I didn't want to speak about the consonants just yet with the presentation because the vowels are more important. So let's get started. I wanted to show you the different sounds that each letter makes in different words. So let's start with the letter A. A has different sounds, and as we reviewed on our first day of class, for example, the first sound is A, A, such as in the word advantage, A, advantage. The first letter A is where that sound is, A. The second pronunciation or sound is ah, ah, as in the word talk, talk. The third pronunciation is A, just like the letter A, such as here in the word reservation, reservation. A is also silent in some words in the English language, such as here in the word luggage. We don't hear the pronunciations of A, or ah. It's silent. We can't hear it. The next letter is E, and the first pronunciation is just like the letter E, such as in the term sightseeing, sightseeing. Usually in English with words that have double vowels, okay, it sounds just like the letter. So here there are two E's, so it sounds just like the letter E, sightseeing. And you'll notice that a lot in many words in the English language, the double vowels. The next term is bed and breakfast. The pronunciation of E can also sound like eh, as in the word bed, eh, bed. Okay. Also, the sound is the same in the second part of it in breakfast. Breakfast. Eh. Okay. It doesn't sound like A. It's more of an eh when you're opening your mouth wide. Okay. And we'll review that next class. E is also silent. Usually the E is silent when it's at the end of a word for majority of the time. Usually E is silent, such as the word here in double. We cannot hear E or eh in this word double. The next vowel is I, and I, it sounds just like the letter I in the word deadline. Deadline. Okay, I, deadline. And we'll go over some of the meanings of these words if you have any questions about them too. Okay. The next pronunciation is I, I, such as in the word ticketing. I. The sound is mostly with the first letter I here in the word, the I sound, ticketing. Okay. I is also silent, such as here in the word companion. Companion. We cannot hear the sound I or I in companion. It's silent. The next vowel is O. The first pronunciation is oo, okay, such as here in the word routine. Routine, okay, ooh. The next pronunciation is O, just like the letter O, such as this word here, overhead, overhead, okay? The next sound is ow, ow, okay? It's just here in the word lay out, ow, okay? It's actually more of a soft pronunciation too. It's not that hard. Lay out. O is also silent, such as here in the word transition. We cannot hear this letter. Okay, we cannot hear O in the word transition. Do you hear an O or an ow? Okay, transition. Okay, and actually this is very common too in most words in English. Words that end in T-I-O-N, the O is silent. Okay, we'll talk about that more too. Next vowel is U. The first pronunciation is such as here in the word customs, customs, okay. Second pronunciation is U, just like the letter U. Population, population, population. U is also silent, and this is a great term, especially used when traveling, because the letter here is silent in both words. Tour guide, tour guide, okay? We cannot hear a U or an sound in the word tour or in the word guide. It's silent. Next vowel is Y. Y sounds just like the letter, just like the word I, okay? Fly is a great example, okay? Fly, I, fly. Y is also silent, okay? And a lot of the time, the Y is silent when it's the last letter of the word. Cannot hear it. This is a great example, the word extraordinary. That's a tough word. We'll work on that. Extraordinary. Extraordinary. Okay? So that's the end of the presentation. Just do a quick review. Write down any questions you may have for me next time I see you. Okay? Just wanted to give you a review of the vowels, like I said, which are important, and I'll see you next class. Bye-bye.